I want to tell you the easy way of making it in life. One are that is the easiest way is then for you to succeed in life as a business person, be it a content creator, a contractor, so name in so anything in every angle you are doing in life. The easy way for you to make it in life and to be successful in that particular thing you are doing. And let me just do this little example to you. Just imagine now, this is a a land. This is a plot of land, not big, and all here you can see now they are all corns. Now corn dem be this. Then you see say this particular land now just one manure na be this. You see this one, see this ones the way they here now. You see those ones the way they for back, where they grow. You see these ones where they. Then you see those ones the way they there. Those ones where they don't grow. Don't have me they see. Now one particular land, one particular manure. The way this soil now, yeah, the way this soil dey, na so it dey generally. But you see and say, these ones them then grow past this one. These ones them then grow past this one. So it be for business. And all these corns them, they plant them one particular day. It was planted one particular day. Because from this land now, it won't take the person uh, um let me just say 7 hours to plant this particular corn here. If you till and finish, you know it takes 7 hours to plant. Now so you go take start your business one day. But now the way you carry nurture your business, the way you nurture your business will definitely make your business to sell and for you to succeed. You know when you don't start business, God help you, don't give you the money. Where you carry start business. As a starter, you just go feel relaxed. You don't become boss, you don't become CEO. You go surprise you. Your business go flop. And that kind of business, it go flop less than a year. You don't flop. You go back to square one. But when you start a business, you nurture the business. Business need hard work, give time, focus, your attention, your ability, your energy. If you bring out those time, those things that when I make call, you bring and give your business. You no need a suitor, you no need a prophet to tell you say that your business will grow. When they call you, you are there. Client need goods, you are there. When they bring and come, you are there to deliver. Everything you are there. Tell me why you no go succeed. And the next you could do, now that customer relationship, that business relationship, you need to build it. Just like the way you go nurture this plant. You need to build it. Because when first person come, as the person come today, you no serve the person well. Definitely you know now, the person will not come again the next day. The way you treat your customer and the way you relate to them, now them go no be say go even go do advert. Now them go do advert. Go so place so that person now the best. You know how I go carry, attend to, you know how I go carry treat you. Because the way you treat the person now, that person now don't go do advert for you. And that person when he tell about you, go tell the next person. The next person will go tell the next person. Then why you no go succeed? Maybe when this person come now, you don't feel bossy, you don't see person we are short nigga. We are just the way I just did now, just enter your business. Maybe the business now multi-million business, but you don't know the worth of that person. You don't know the connection of that person. You don't know the timber and caliber of that particular person. Just come your place. You look the person less. Instead you to come pay attention to the person. You go send one of your boy where maybe in the room, you know sabi talk, you don't know how to carry approach customer. What you just now make one and make it clear. You send your boy, make him go attend to the person. Boy will just present the thing any. But if you have that interaction with the person, you see, you talk to the person, you convince the person, because at the end of it, as a business person, you need to convince the person to buy. You convince the person to buy. If they think say that person no get friend or you no get person, you know sabi person. And one of the person when he sabi fit need that particular thing. And one day talk will bring talk. This thing where you get or this thing where you buy. I like am, I go like get am. Hey, my brother no go. What the person go, my brother or my sister no go another place. The place where I buy this thing, now that place now be the surest. Even if that person has that another place in mind, because of say that particular thing where you see when you like, you will not believe that particular person. That is friend. Then that is friend. Now what will the person go do? He will not refer that a friend now to your place. Why you no go grow? Why you no go succeed? Stop feeling bossy when God don't give you the ability to do so as a business person. Because you see this life, at the way the clock they tick, now so they turn they go. Some people, as the way the clock they tick, more increase, more increase. Some people, the way the clock they click, now so they come down due to the way you carry attend to your business and to your clients. You will not just feel comfortable doing things, feel lousy. Let me give this person this position. You are the manager, you are the supervisor, you are this way. Then you just go back house, just go relax. That you don't position everything. Then you are not there yourself to check how is this supervisor supervising this particular thing. You are not there to check how this manager is managing this particular thing. You are not there to check how this storekeeper is taking stock of this particular thing. You just feel relaxed. You don't import goods now. Come, storekeeper don't take. You don't know. Then you think that your business will be the way it is. No. Put an eye check. Check. Bring your mindset down, because if that business go bankrupt, my brother, you yourself, you have gone bankrupt. See, it's better you don't have money than you have, you fall. Because if you get before, na past tense when the guy talk, who get before na past tense, I been get na past tense. But if you get, you come fall. Hey, you go no say to rise again, to come up again. Hey, you go only take by the grace of God. You go only take by the grace of God for you to rise again. But if you no get, you rise, you come up, then you no make use of your brain to make your business dey stable. Nobody wey go don see hard life go wan go back again. Then if you can't go back to that place again, now you be yourself. So what I'm trying to tell you that this basic thing will make you definitely, be it anything wey you dey do as a business owner, as a anything at all wey you dey do for this life, this particular thing wey I don tell you so go make you succeed in life. No go feel relaxed when God don bless you. No. Put more hard work to it. God sef say, more diligent wey you dey, more hard work in a day. Na so him go dey bless you dey go. Woe unto that lazy man wey just feel because of say he just go relax. Say God bless him. Na manna. Gone na those days wey manna dey fall. And people wey benefit, no be everybody wey dey for that particular kingdom or that particular place wey manna fall, na him benefit from that manna. So na wetin I wan tell you. Put more hard work to it. Your business will be more successful and very easy going.